All right, what is up, Supra community? I hope you guys are having a great day. It is Wednesday. Is today Wednesday? What day is it? Tuesday. I'm sorry. I don't know when the heck, what day I'm at. So Tuesday, August 12th. It is currently 8:45 p.m. and that's the time that I'm going to be recording and uploading. So, where to start? Things are changing in a good way. I see something that's very, very bullish and interesting for Supra. Things are switching. I think I want to say first is that let's burn some more tokens. So burn some Memecoin burner tokens. More royalties are now, more royalties were used to buy some Memecoin burners. Them royalties came from the sales of the NFTs. Boom, Memecoin burners up in flames. Shout out to spiky.fund for making this super easy. That is now more tokens, millions of tokens. Now, I think we're like 50, 60 million tokens burned now, something like that. Like crazy amounts of tokens now. So the supply is now dropping. The Memecoin, overall tokens on Supra are doing really good. Like Josh is looking amazing, as well as Lucky. Lucky looks great as well. Shout out to the bot that is also helping a lot on the Telegram on my end. It's helping a lot, man. So if you want to come join, come on through, man. Everybody and anybody is more than welcome to join the Telegram chat. It is free. Come talk, have fun, see what you got to say. All the official links are going to be down below in the description. My Telegram, my X account, my TikTok, all of that stuff, which I upload daily, consistently, as much as I can, as possible. You know, sometimes it gets a little hard whenever it comes with the baby, but I still try my best to stay consistent. I also want to point out, I alerted a very critical and big play for the private members that can make us a lot of money. So if you want to join the private members, you can join on YouTube or on X. It's a paid subscription. You're more than welcome to join so you can see our next big play. We've had multiple X's, back-to-back 10X's, 5X's, 2X's. You know, of course, not all of them do great. We've had one or two bad plays, but overall, we're in the green. We're making money. So come on through, join the private members, so that way we can earn and make some money together. So yeah, Memecoin burner token looks great. We're now getting alerts about the buy purchases. I think the market cap is like 6K, so it's very, very, very low market cap. And what's going to set a lot of these meme coins off is this pattern right here. If you don't see what I'm seeing, let me explain. Supra has been trending upward, and I was shook. I was actually very surprised about the momentum and the push that it went, right? Because this is still bearish, but it's starting to form a very bullish outcome. The candlesticks are above the 1334, and these 1334 moving averages are about to cross into the bullish side for the daily. It's looking good. Right now, as we speak, right now that I'm recording this YouTube video, it's 2 zeros and a 4-3. I want to say something, but I can't say it legally. You probably know what it is. Actually, I'm going to say it in this term. I am buying more, a lot more, because this cross happens, we can shoot straight up. I want to see the first target of 5-1 being met, but right now it's not confirmed. It's still bearish until this cross happens, which it gives me a confirmed bullish outcome. That's the safest route. If you're a safe trader, if you want to wait until a confirmed cross and a bullish trend, you wait until the cross and then you buy in, because it's safer that way. You can front run it if you want to. It's a little bit riskier just because they may never cross, and things can switch up really, really quick and it can wreck you, okay? I tend to go, sometimes I tend to do safe routes and just wait for the confirmation and then buy. Other times I just buy and accumulate as it's about to cross. It really depends on the token. It depends on the project, how bullish I am, and how bullish everybody is, how strong the community is. A lot of factors come into play what that makes me decide that. Right now, I'm buying more. I'm buying more right now. I bought some at 004, a little bit more at 0041. So I see this looking good. It's about a 70% probability of this crossing bullish. They're still at 30%. Don't forget, okay, nothing's guaranteed. They're still at 30% that we get rejected, and then the 1334 end up just doing a parallel move, and we stay bearish, and the price drops. So, long story short, we need that cross, okay? So I want to see 5-1 being tested first, and if that 5-1 breaks, we can see 777, which would be amazing. That's almost a 200% move right there, or yeah, a 2x. That's what I mean. So things are looking really good. I hope you're ready. I've always said this multiple times. Like, yes, the token looks great. Yes, the project looks good. It's not perfect. You know, it's still very early. It's still new. It's an L1. People are gonna talk trash about it no matter what. But if you're here for the long haul, I said this multiple times. This is not an overnight get rich thing. Like, accumulate. If it goes sees to all-time low, that's whenever you start buying more. Stake it. This is a multi-year hold. I'm not gonna get your hypes up and put some false information in your head and tell you this is gonna do a 100x tomorrow or a 200x in 6 months. Cause no, that's I mean, if it does it, that's fine. But this is going to take time. Tron took 8 years to go from 008 to 35 cents where it's at today. Are you willing to do that? Imagine staking 004 per Supra today, and then 8 years from now, if this project is still here, if the token is still here, etc., etc., etc. I know there's a lot of factors that play into all this, but imagine staking 1 million Supra, whatever, right? And you got your average at 004, and then 8 years from now, your stake payouts are enough to make you some really good revenue because Supra is 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 50 cents. I'm just putting numbers out there, you know. But think about that, man. That's what pretty much Tron did. If you would have bought, I remember I had millions of Tron in my wallet, man. And I was doing the Tron representatives, getting that staking payout, getting that bandwidth payouts, and so much more, man. That was some really good revenue. And if I would have held on to all my tokens, man, I would have been looking really good. But it's all good. I was taking profit as it was moving upward, and that's what I'm going to continue doing on Supra. The higher we go, the little bit of profit that I like to do. Another heads up as well is I'm taking profit on Ethereum. If you follow me on Twitter, then you would probably have seen my tweet where I said I'm selling a little bit of Ethereum. Yes, it's at 4,600. Yes, it can go up. Nothing's guaranteed, but I'm the type of person where I've been here for 10 years and I understand how this ecosystem works. So I sold 18 Ethereum not too long ago, and I'm planning to sell 18 more Ethereum right now. I think I sold at like 2,800 or like 3,000, something like that. I can't remember. So yeah, I'm gonna sell a few more. I just like taking that. I mean, I do not want to be stuck at having all these funds and not taking profit, expecting 20,000 Ethereum token price, right? And then it never comes. Expecting 200,000 BTC price, and it never comes. As it goes higher, I'm taking and I'm selling my Ethereum and Bitcoin, not other altcoins. Bitcoin, Ethereum only, okay? Them are my biggest bags pretty much that I have, and I've been doing this for 10 years. So I'm going to convert and sell to stable coins, multiple USDT, USDC, and try to convert it over to probably Pulse Chain and other sorts of income. Pulse Chain Wrap BTC is doing really, really good. I might get a few over there, free money, free tokens, why not? And just modify my way around, because I don't want to expect these crazy prices. They never come. Then we start getting into bear market zones, in which it will come. And then it starts dropping. And then I will regret not taking profit at 5,000 per Ethereum, 4,000 per Ethereum. And then it starts dropping more. It goes down to 2,000. So I like to take profit. You do whatever you want to. That's what I've been doing, and it's been working great for me. Don't get greedy in this market. You will get wrecked. You will be holding bags for years in hopes to break at least even. So I've been there. I've done that before in my beginning years. So don't do that. All right. So guys, click the like button, subscribe, comment down below anything. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Take it easy. I'm out. Peace.